Daily Dispatch, Day 94. Mama told me there'd be days like this. Yesterday was a bit of a disaster from the word go. I was running late from the minute I didn't wake up, and the day passed before I could even catch up with it. I just have to accept these days as they arrive, though thankfully they're few and far between now. While the somatic symptoms have all but passed, vivid dreams have become a constant for weeks. Some nights are more intense than others, leaving me as exhausted as I was yesterday. Here's the science behind what's going on. The pressure cooker effect. During my years of use, my brain attempted to maintain homeostasis by pushing back against the chemical suppression of REM. The release. Now the lid, substances, have been removed, my brain is discharging years of suppressed REM activity. This results in dreams that feel hyper-realistic, long-lasting, and emotionally charged. Why the dreams feel different. Increased density. I'm not just dreaming more. The density of eye movements and neural firing during REM is higher than in a typical sleeper. Fragmented sleep. Withdrawal often causes brief micro-awakenings. Because I am waking up directly out of REM sleep, the filing system captures the dream state with startling clarity before it can fade. Amygdala hyperactivity. The emotional center of the brain, the amygdala, is often hyperreactive during early cessation. This is why dreams may lean toward acute crisis or anxiety themes. Timeline and expectations. Short term, weeks 1 to 8, expect high-intensity cinematic dreams. These are repair signals indicating the brain is re-establishing the neural pathways for memory and emotional regulation. Long term, month 3 and beyond. The intensity typically plateaus and then gradually integrates into a more sustainable, less jarring sleep architecture. If you're planning cessation or are already on your journey, here are a few tips I picked up along the way to help with the more disturbing ones. The clinical mirror. View these dreams as data points rather than literal messages. They're the brain's way of defragmenting the hard drive after a long period of forced shutdown. Variable isolation. Be aware that nicotine patches or late-night use can further intensify dream vividness due to its effect on the acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter deeply involved in REM. Narrative integration. If the dreams are disruptive to your creative fluency, brief morning logging can help move the noise from the subconscious to the conscious, reducing their weight. This is where the AI Scaffold is essential. No waffles or milestones tonight, just some useful information to help you on your way. The Daily Dispatch ends here, but the data continues. For the full forensic analysis, the daily metrics, and the complete 24-month roadmap, please visit deepseekandme.substack.com. The record is open. I'll see you at the next log.